Hey guys, so I'd like to tell you about a new project I have on Sketchfab. If you haven't followed me on Sketchfab, I recommend you do so because I have some really nice projects that would be nice to get attention. But one of my projects is the Pokebot project, which is a collection of 3D models you can use to have basically a robotic frame to build a Pokemon robot. This is like supposed to be for a demo at Maker Faire, and you can also include in your projects beside the 3D model frame. You can include open source and Arduino technologies. You can use stuff like Arduino analog debounce, Arduino direct IO, smart GPU 2 sensors, RBD open source Arduino sensors, and artificial intelligence. And It can, and hardware you can use can range from Arduino or BeagleBone Blacks. You can integrate sensors as well as add stuff like hydraulics or static electricity. Now, what I'm just giving you is the frame that you can 3D print and cut, do incision points in order to add the robotics and servos that you need. But this is just a really interesting project I have, and I recommend that you subscribe to it. Also, if you look at my GitHub, you can find tons of open source projects at github.com/mentors4, the number 4, edu, and it has tons of open source projects that are available that you can look at. One of my favorite is the TypeScript code repository. Also, if you go to the notes in the Business Information Systems repository, you can go to security password, and it just shows you tons of different templates in order to have a secure password. So if you wanted to put on this, you could just switch the letters on this and use the same character font, and you'd have a secure password. If you look at there's even some source code for my social network, some source code for some of my friends' projects, a Visual Basic repository, a whole HTML repository. There's also, if you see, a C programming repository. This one is a transcribed media project which uses API and protocols to create kind of a new developer SDK. This is the alpha release for Social Roo, which shows Perl and cell type programming languages. This is for Gris Hacks project I did, Film Fester source code, and this one is open source community files and apps. So basically, you have tons of resources that you could probably use some of this in learning, or even if for non-commercial purposes in your open source projects or modifying and forking it. Anyways, those are some things I've been working on. I've been doing some new Sketchfab projects, but not that much because I'm mainly focusing on coding right now and doing some programming. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.